Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Petrol prices are to rise for a second straight week, bringing more financial strain to consumers. For the details on how much, Dashan Hendricks is at the smartboard.
A new year, new prices for consumers at the pumps. Petrojam today announcing it is increasing the price of both E1087 and E1090 gasoline. Both E1087 and E1090 gasoline going up by 95 cents this week, taking the ex-refinery prices to the highest they have been in some 6 weeks. The price of diesel going up as well, $2.50, an increase for regular diesel, while the low sulfur variety increases by $2.65. Kerosene up as well, $2.74 this week. Propane cooking gas going up by 78 cents, while butane increases by some $2.16. It's now back to you.
Thanks, Dashan. Oil prices rose about 2% today to the highest in 2.5 years, with a 6th day of unrest in OPEC member Iran and strong economic data from the United States and Germany spurring buying. Oil for delivery in February is selling for $61.67. It's the highest oil has been since June 2015, after rising $1.23. The dollar lost value today. The U.S. currency was being sold for $124.79. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $99.09. The pound sterling is going for $167.81, while the euro is costing $149.84. The Bank of Jamaica says it had to issue slightly more money than anticipated over the Christmas to meet demand. The central bank said the additional issue amounted to $151 million. The sum was a negligible increase given that the total issues amounted to almost $16 billion. It was, however, a contrast to the $66 million in expected redemption. Mayberry Investments is reorganizing its subsidiary. The board passed the resolution authorizing for steps to be taken to change the name of its subsidiary, Mayberry West Indies, to Mayberry Jamaican Equities. The board also passed a resolution authorizing the company to take all necessary steps to list the subsidiary on the Jamaica Stock Exchange before the end of the first quarter of this year. Now, trading on the stock exchange ended today with the JSE index down 164 points, while the junior market index gained 33. Stocks posting gains included Access Financial, Barita Investments, Carreras, Express Catering, Iron Rock Insurance, Jetcon, Kingston Wharves, Radio Jamaica, and VM Investments. The losers included Carib Cement, Fosrich, Knutsford Express, Main Event Entertainment, Portland JSX, Sagicor Group, and Wisynco. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.